you need to find the largest number in a range of cells, the max function in LibreOffice Calc is one of the fastest tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step, so even if you're completely new to Calc, you can follow along easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center where you can create a new file or open an existing one. On the left side, under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet if you want to start fresh. If you already have data entered, you can simply open your existing spreadsheet instead. Now that your spreadsheet is open, take a moment to look at your data. The max function works by scanning a group of number cells and returning the highest value in that selection. This is useful for grades, sales totals, scores, monthly results, or any situation where you want to quickly identify the biggest number without checking each cell manually. Next, click the cell where you want the result to appear. This is important because the max function will place the largest value in whichever cell you select. For example, if you want the answer below a list of numbers, click the empty cell underneath that list. If you want it in the summary section, click the cell where your final result should be displayed. Once that cell is selected, type equals max and then an opening parenthesis. So you will enter equals max open parenthesis. This tells LibreOffice Calc that you are about to choose the range of numbers you want it to evaluate. After typing that, you can now select the number cells directly with your mouse. To do this, click and drag across the cells that contain your values. You can select a vertical list, a horizontal row, or even a larger block of numbers depending on your spreadsheet layout. Calc will highlight the range you choose, and that range will be included in the function. For example, if your values are in cells A1 through A10, your formula will look something like equals max open parenthesis A1 colon A10. If you're selecting a different range, Calc will automatically adjust it based on the cells you highlight. The key is to make sure you only select the cells you want included in the calculation. After selecting the cells, type the closing parenthesis. So the full formula becomes equals max open parenthesis, your selected cells close parenthesis. Then press enter on your keyboard. LibreOffice Calc will immediately calculate the result and display the largest value from the selected range. And that's it. The biggest number from your selected cells will now appear in the result cell you chose. This is a simple but a powerful way to analyze data quickly, especially when you are working with large lists or multiple records. If you want to use the max function in another part of the spreadsheet, just repeat the same steps. Click a new cell, type equals max open parenthesis, comma, select your number range, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Once you get used to it, it only takes a few seconds. You can also use max to compare different categories, track the highest score, or find the peak value in a report. It's one of those functions that can save a lot of time and make your spreadsheets much easier to read. So remember the basic process. Open LibreOffice Calc, click the destination cell, type equals max open parenthesis, select the number cells, close the formula, and press enter. That's all you need to do to find the largest value in a range. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more quick spreadsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.